Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevy Tahoe and I will show you how to remove and replace the radio unit. This video applies to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now, first thing you want to do is pop out this plastic trim piece around the radio. So all this is actually one piece and it's held by a couple of plastic clips. Now, the best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, then you can use something like this. Just put a bit of tape over it so you don't damage the dashboard or make any scratches. So you pretty much want to pop out all of this all around, starting from the top corner. And then you just work your way all around. Okay, just like this. Okay. There's lots of these pieces holding it, the clips. Okay, almost done. Okay, this is the piece, and as you can see on the back side there is total of 9 clips holding it, so 4 on each side and 1 at the bottom. Okay, next thing to do would be to remove 6 7mm screws. So these are the ones, this one here, this one here, and this one here, and same thing on the other side. So this guy, and this guy. You will have to remove the climate control as well, because the radio's bottom lip is actually under this upper edge of this climate control. So you have to unscrew all of this, remove the climate control out, and then you'll be able to pull your radio out. Okay, actually I will add, you will have to remove 2 additional 7mm screws. So this one here and this one here, because the same story, you can't remove the climate control before you remove this part, because there is a climate control bottom lip just underneath this piece. So like I said, you want to remove 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. Okay, so these are all the screws. So like I said, 8 of them, and now all these will be loose. You can just gently pull it out. The bottom part, you don't have to disconnect any of these wires, just leave it hanging down, and you can also pull your radio straight out. Okay, on the back side of the radio you have a radio antenna to unplug and 2 connections. So radio antenna just pretty much unplugs just like this, and on top of these guys you have 2 small clips, and you just push onto it and pull it straight out. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Now, one thing I will mention: if you're replacing this factory radio with a different factory radio, for example from a used Tahoe, make sure to get the radio code, which is usually found on a small card, which is a part of your owner's manual. If you don't have it, most likely your new radio will not work in your Tahoe, because it's gonna ask you for the code. Your other option is to write down the serial number of the donor vehicle and the serial number of the new radio, call the Chevy Dealership, and they will give you the new radio code, but that will probably cost you up to $50. So if you're getting a radio from the salvage, walk around, look around, check the glove box, and try to find that radio code. If you're replacing this radio with the aftermarket radio, which you're most likely doing, make sure to get the proper wiring harness, which will connect to your new radio and to this existing wires, and make sure to get a nice radio kit which will fill out this hole and make everything look like it's supposed to look. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.